Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. So Aditya Birla Sun Life has joined the index fund or passive fund bandwagon as has launched two funds today, the Nifty Mid Cap 150 and the Nifty Small Cap 50. The moment people see Nifty Small Cap 50, they get excited and assume they're going to get something different. That's not the case. I have already talked about the Nifty Mid Cap 150 index in the case of Motilal Oswal fund and the Nippon India fund, and I've said that there's nothing special. All you need is to invest in the Nifty Next 50. I'm just going to say the same thing again here. I have written in detail about the claims that the AMC is making and how they are not correct and so on. I'm just too tired to talk about that again. So let's look at the pictures here. So this is Nifty Next 50 versus the Nifty Small Cap 50 since the inception, that is the data availability of the Nifty Small Cap 50 index. And just looking at this will tell you that Nifty Next 50 is the better choice. And also the AMC says that 50 stocks from the 250 stock small cap universe will give focus and all that. That's not really true. The Nifty Small Cap 250 has actually outperformed the Nifty Small Cap 50, which is amusing. This is for 5 years, and that's the same. The same situation is same over 10 years and so on. However, if you look at it, compared to the Nifty Next 50, so in this graph, look at the brown line, which is Nifty Next 50, and the pink line, which is Nifty Mid Cap. The brown line and the pink line would more or less fall on each other. That's why I keep saying Nifty Next 50 is enough. You don't need Nifty Mid Cap at all. And the brown line and the pink line are comfortably above the green line and yellow lines. The green line and the yellow lines are the two small cap indices, but the Nifty Next 50 and Nifty Mid Cap outperform those, and therefore please don't buy any small cap index. It's just stupidity, and even more stupidity would be to do an SIP in a small cap index or a small cap fund. That just without periodic profit booking, investing in small cap just is a wasteful exercise. Please don't do that. The same is true for over 7 years, same is true over 10 years. You don't get anything extra. Please avoid all these passive funds. You just need one or two passive funds. Nifty and Nifty Next 50 is enough. You don't need anything more. Stop getting excited over every new fund offer. It's really, I don't know what to say. I will do it because people want me to do it, and it's easy money for me. And I don't even need to exercise my brain. I even before doing any kind of analysis, I already know what the answer is. So